are we? we're at the Wiseman's Ferry Hotel because we've been up to the
St Albans.
St Albans, and it's closed today. Wouldn't you know it? So here we are at the Wiseman's Ferry Hotel.
That's right.
And we're having lunch. And we've been up and we've done some draining. And Joe, the gadget man, here's had all his gadgets out. It's like watching a kid in a playgroup. He whips out another. He's not doing me any favours because he keeps telling Liz that this one was cheaper than your one.
Yeah.
I'm saying, what my mate? What my one? Thanks a lot, Ben. You really put my weights up here, mate. Thanks, pal.
Good.
Cheers. Here we go. Cheers.